Hello painting peeps and welcome. It's Kathleen from COZ Creations. Welcome to the No Bra Zone number 2, guys. I am happy you're here. I'm excited about today. Today is a very special episode for me. I have been called out on the do's and don'ts challenge by an artist that has been part of my pouring journey since the beginning 2 years ago when I started it. Sweet Fiona, sweet, lovely, adorable, kind Fiona from Fiona Art. I know she doesn't need an introduction. She is beyond fabulous. She does everything. She tries everything. If she doesn't like it, she scrapes it and she makes it better. So I was over the moon excited when she shouted out my name. Now, those of you who don't know what the do's and don'ts challenge is another artist. An artist calls out another artist and gives them 3 do's and 3 don'ts. And they generally try to pick things that you know, you're either not real comfortable with or don't do very often, just to challenge you. And I am all about a challenge, Fiona. Thank you. And then at the end of this video, hang if you have the time, guys, because I give a shout out and challenge another artist. And I am challenging an artist that I'm very, very fond of. So I'm very excited about this. Let's go over my do's and my don'ts. Fiona, you were not that kind to me. Bless your heart. I might have to take back all the nice things I said about you. Do number 1, do a diptych. You see 2 12 by 12 canvases here. Do use yellow. Oh, not one of my strong suits. I don't use much yellow, and let me tell you why. Yellow can be a very bossy color, although I don't mind managing a bossy color, but I feel that yellow and sometimes gold, if it's overused, takes your eye away from all the other colors because it jumps right out at you. If you are looking at a landscape and your eyes are going across it and you see purples and blues and greens and then you see yellow, that yellow is going to take your eye away often from the other colors. So I shy away from it a little bit, but for Fiona, I will do anything. Combine at least 2 techniques, which you'll see that I'll do. My don'ts. Don't do a swipe with a paper towel. Oh, be still my heart. She said paper towel. She didn't say something else. I hope that's not cheating. Don't use a black base coat. My base coat is already down and it is not black. And don't use more than 3 metallics. So Kathleen's got a bit of a challenge ahead of her, but I am okay with that. Let's talk about our colors. Our base coat is already down. These are 2 12 by 12 canvases, and they are reused canvases. If you look carefully here, you see a little of the blue that was underneath coming through. But I am okay with that. It was the only 2 matchy-matchy canvases that I had. My base coat is down. My base coat is yummy. It is Vallejo pearl medium, and just the pearl medium mixed with my pouring medium, which is 50% Floetrol, 25% Golden GAC 800, and 25% Liquitex pouring medium. That's in my base coat. It's in all of my other colors. And it will be listed as well as these colors, guys, in the description box. Just tap on the title. It'll take you right to all that information. Why more Floetrol than usual? Because I am layering my paints and I'm going to do a traveling ring pour. And my colors need to be a little thicker. And Floetrol is heavier than GAC. Floetrol is heavier than Liquitex pouring medium. So that's why I changed it up a little bit. So base coat is down. Other colors in this yummy cup right here, Golden Fluids in their turquoise. This is a yummy bright color. Look at the sheen in that, guys. That is a combination of DecoArt Extreme Sheen Jadett. And I added just a drop or two of the golden fluids in the green gold. It made a very, very yummy color, guys. This right here is golden fluids in the phthalo green blue shade. Let's take a look at that. So we're getting our bright colors on, and I'm excited. I don't go bright very often, but it feels good when I do. This is just more of our Vallejo Pearl Medium. This yummy color is DecoArt Extreme Sheen, and that is their Saphire. And here is my yellow. My yellow is Artist Loft Naples Yellow. I tried to find the most muted, subtle yellow that I could. Let's take a look at that. It's a pretty yellow, guys. And our final color today is Golden Fluids, and that is in the Persian blue. So we're getting our blues and a little yellow and greens on. I think that is going to be a nice marriage. I'm going to go ahead and layer my 2 cups. I plan on doing a traveling ring pour, stretching it out a little bit and playing with it. I'm glad you're here, guys. Fiona, thank you so much for thinking of me. I hope I make you proud. Let's put some tunes on. Let's get busy.
are we kidding? We can't pretend that we feel nothing, but if you're game, I am willing to jump. Cause I've been thinking about crossing the line and just giving. Can I feel it the way I do? Cause I've been thinking about you all the time, can't get enough. I wanna make it with you. This time I'm gonna be through. Only you move me to the rhythm.
it's time for me to call out another fellow artist for the do's and the don'ts challenge. And I am calling out our birthday boy, sweet Jeremy Massey from Massey's Art Studio. Jeremy, your 3 do's are: do a straight pour, do leave at least 40% negative space, do use a white background, and your 3 don'ts: don't wreck it, don't use any gold, and don't ask Studio Hubby for any advice. Now, Lee, you are welcome to jump in on this if you so please. Fiona, thank you so much. That was fun. I had a good time. Thank you, peeps, for joining us. Head on over and check out my do's and don'ts that I gave to darling Fiona at Fiona Art. Y'all have a great evening. Peace and love.